Hello, tutor accompagners. My name is Andrea Cifuentes. The theme is environment. Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Positive effects. First, expansion of new market. Second, paper reduction through visual platforms without excessive use paper. Third, electric cars help reduce pollution. Four, use in renewable energy industries such as solar, wind, and renewable. Aspect negative environment. The technology advance has been both good and bad in the sense that we have been able to understand things that we had no idea and improve our lifestyle. But likewise, we are causing negative effects, such as burning enough fossil fuels causing enough CO2 to be generated and causing a greenhouse effect between the planet and the ozone layer that causes the temperature to rise gradually, causing the polar caps to melt more than normal, causing an increase in the seas and living species in very bad conditions such as polar bears. In addition, due to the large amount of carbon dioxide, air quality has declined considerable in the last decade, causing to find a lot pollution in large cities, making life experiencing lower quality of the life longer and easier get sick. On the picture, how do you see the future of planet? First, in the distant future there are those possibilities. Extinction. We can adapt the system of the use of the reclining safe and consumption of service, limit our actions in not drowning or exploiting natural resources. If we do not pay attention, we could extinguish our species or die hunger or water. Second, a positive future with great technology and scientific progress, overcoming the climate crisis and improving the environment, the ecosystems of different species, and creating to have a better quality of life, full of advances such as the creation of organs, possible alteration the DNA, creating superhumans, making trips where they have a new discovery and new lives. Okay. How to mitigate the environment? I recommend the following. First, plastic reduction. Second, I consider optimizing the use of bicycles on electric cars. Third, decrease fuel use. Fourth, severing of trees to reduce CO2. Optimization of clean energies. Solar planet saving life bulbs. Thanks. Bye.